Good morning, students. We will continue with our case study from where we left it yesterday, where the same I have posted on the Moodle. Today I shall be giving you on your WhatsApp this snapshot of this case study, and this case study will be a test for you. We got to have 2 or 3 tests, so this will be the test one. However, I have explained it, but you have to give the solution to this. I am narrating the case and you have to give the solution to it. So go through these 2 lectures which are divided into 2 parts for this particular case study so that you better understand the case study. I will also be sending you the snapshot of this case study on your WhatsApp. So we will continue from we left yesterday. So Diwan couldn't believe what he heard. So he has always prided him on his hand on his style and thought he has an ear to the ground. It means he had a knack to judge people, to know people. Grounded to the ears means he knew everybody in the organization. So how could I lost touch? So he is wondering कि ऐसा कैसे हुआ कि मैं लोगों को नहीं समझ पाया. He wondered, somewhat shaken. When you are the boss, now this is Mr. Saxena, the solicitor, is telling you, because he is having difference of opinion with Mr. Diwan, who is the chairman of the company. Now, when you are the boss, people accept your authority without question, continues Saxena. In any case, you have been successful at Vertigo and it is very difficult to argue with success. So Saxena is saying that nobody can argue with you because you have been a successful person and you have taken the lead role in taking Vertigo, the company, ahead. So, but the moment you announce your intention to leave, the aura begins to fade away. Now, since you are leaving, naturally your aura will fade away because people will now consider another people to be their chairman, not the person whom you are recommending. So, and deciding on your successor, the board will seek your opinion with due regards to your judgment. The board member must do what in their view is right for the company. Having said that, may I also mention that if there is a showdown in the boardroom, you could always choose to stay on. We would like it, or we could bring in an outsider. So what Saxena is meaning, it will be better for you to stay down because there will be a discussion in the boardroom as to who should be the chairman, next chairman after you. So maybe you can choose to stay back, यानी कि आप continue करना चाहोगे ऐसी दशा में. So he is indicating that there will maybe a disagreement among the people from within the company as to who will become the chairman. So there can be disagreement between the board members also. So that's why he's saying at the last, or we could bring it an outsider, यानी कि क्या पता हमें बाहर से भी लोगों को as chairman लाना directly पड़े. I have finalized my career plan and there is no question of staying on beyond 6 months now. So Diwan is saying मैं 6 महीने से ज़्यादा रुकूंगा नहीं. The board is scheduled to meet next month. Let us shelve the matter till then. क्योंकि next month board meeting है तो इस matter को हम अगले महीने तक छोड़ देते हैं. In the meantime, I rely on you, Ram, to keep this discussion between the two of us. Of course, said Saxena. तो Saxena said ये हमारे आपस की बात है और तुम अपने तक ही इस बात को रखना. So he is not disclosing his plan of retirement. Of course, said Saxena. On his way home, Diwan thought about the matter in detail. काफी सोचा. Bringing an outsider would undo all his life's work at Vertigo. Now, what he is saying? That since Saxena has raised his doubt that somebody, because there will be little agreement to make somebody as chairman from within the company, Vertigo company, and he is suggesting that somebody from outside might be called for to come in, recruited to become the chairman. So on the way home, he is thinking about it. Okay, whatever I have done to bring up Vertigo to what it is, a brand name in today's time, will all be going waste because we are taking somebody from outside to become the chairman. There were considerations like cultural and compatibility which were paramount because at that level, at the level of the chairman, a person might be coming from a different culture. So what he is thinking that it might be suitable that somebody from inside should become the chairman. The chairman has to be an inside man, a Richard like his stature. So this Richard person who was named person who was suggested by Saxena, he is saying he lacks his stature. Stature मतलब उसका औधा या कद उतना नहीं है कि वो chairman बन सके. Diwan said to him. So we will continue. Now again he's saying that Rajan is the person जिसको वो सजेस्ट कर रहा था chairman, is the person I have been grooming क्योंकि वो उसको follow करता था. But heavens, the flip side of it had missed me completely. But मैंने दूसरी तरफ तो सोचा ही नहीं. He's saying like there is no way I can allow a split at the top just before I quit. So he's saying कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि there can be disagreement between people before I quit. So this is no way I can allow a split at the top, क्योंकि लोग विभाजित हो सकते हैं, कंपनी टूट सकती है. I must leave on a high note in my own interest. I must find a way out of the imminent mess. So what he is saying that I should leave with my esteem high and I must find a way out of the imminent mess. So given this distension between people's opinions, he is saying कि I must find a way out of the imminent mess. ये जो खिचड़ी पकी है इसमें से मुझे कोई solution निकालना पड़ेगा. Now my question to the class is what should Diwan do? This is the only question and this is to be answered by you. आपको अपना राइट अप तैयार करना है, इसका सोल्यूशन देना है, डिस्क्राइब करना है पहले केस को, उसके बाद अपना सोल्यूशन देना है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, माइंड यू, दिस विल बी योर फर्स्ट टेस्ट ऑफ HRD. दैट्स इट. ओके.